Guys, it's a Hot channel, and this is video about how do you should to watch our diecast reviews, guys. My friend Saul from channel Soul Diecast Odyssey, the link will be in the description, tell me that I should watch his diecast reviews on his channel with something special. That's all about all of our diecast review channels. That's all about Diecast Dude, Diecast Dungeon, Cancelled, the worst YouTube channel ever, Toon Trucks Racing, Sergix, Mike, guys, Soul, I love you all. You are all can make a review from your own side, from your own position, from your own opinion. And how do you should watch these diecast reviews on the YouTube, guys? Suggested to Soul. You something like this. Zephyr, some cookies. Very yummy cookies. Many kind of cookies. You should take all of this before you start to watch your diecast review. You should turn on a review on the monitor or on your cell phone or on your notebook. Turn on diecast review. You should take a cup of water, cup of tea, or cup of coffee for your own suggestion, of course. I drink water right now because it's very hot in our street. It's today's 28 degrees Celsius. Hot days. So, to watch this kind of diecast reviews, to watch my diecast reviews, other channels diecast reviews, you should use cookies. You should use cup of tea, cup of coffee, or cup of water, something to drink. And you should take your cup in your hand, drink it, watch our diecast review, eat something yummy. Eat something yummy and enjoy. Take your time, enjoy our review, guys. Watching this video. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for writing the comments. And of course, thank you for subscribing to my channel. It was a Hot channel, it was a Victor. And it was a video how you should watch our diecast reviews. Enjoy, guys. Bye bye. See you later.